Hey guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. Today we'll be doing part 3 of a 3-part series of companion planting. In this area we'll be doing an in-place raised garden in front of some rocks towards the back of our grass on the property. We kind of built it up with some soil that we had purchased, and I found some bricks that we weren't using anymore in the shed, as well as if you watched an earlier video on gladiola, or how to plant gladiola bulbs and hydrangea plants video, this fencing was used, and I'm repurposing it here. So I'll build up the side with some bricks and then put the fencing to the front just to kind of keep this in and have a defined area for cutting grass around there. In this little sled here we have the remaining asparagus bulbs that we had transplanted, or removed for transplanting I should say, from our vegetable garden. And I had purchased some rhubarb bulbs before I knew we would be getting some lovely starter plants from my in-laws. So I'll be planting some bulbs, and we have a few more tiny little transplant rhubarb plants that I'll get in the ground here too. So let's get everything in and see how this little patch grows together. So how asparagus and rhubarb work well together is the asparagus will help loosen the soil, and the rhubarb deters white flies and such with its scent. So these plants will hopefully complement one another and help to benefit each other's life cycles. Let's get to it. The first row of asparagus that I planted, I did kind of a zigzag trench along the rock. Now for the second trench I'll do a kind of curvilinear trench there. A little soft rounded trench. The asparagus is all planted. We have 2 rows here, and I put some Pro Mix on the top, and I'll add the rhubarb bulbs and plants now. These little bulbs have little plants starting here. That's good. At least 3 of the 5 do. This one does. This one's not looking so great. These 2 do. Well, there are 3 for 5. We'll have 6 bulbs. We already have 3 plant clusters, which I wasn't even planning to have, so we're ahead of the game. Let me figure out where I want to put these little guys. I'll put these smaller ones together. Let me give everything a good water, and we'll get some ground cover on. Alright, so we're just finishing up with the straw cover. It's good to go with an organic or one you know does not have pesticides, so it doesn't inhibit or kill your plants or seeds. And then after the straw is placed, we'll give it a good watering again. We're supposed to get some rain this afternoon, which will be great. Give all of our spring plantings a good drink of water. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video today, part 3 of a 3-part series of companion planting. If you enjoy gardening or landscaping or planting, getting out in the yard, there are a number of videos you can watch, or if you're you're not sure or need some inspiration or ideas, I have some series of container planting and how to plant gladiola bulbs and hydrangeas and lily bulbs, and just yard cleanup videos to help get you inspired and get out in your yard as well. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Take care.